Greetings, everyone. I'm Ricardo, and I live here in Kingston, Ontario, Canada. But a part of me will always be in Jamaica. There are many things I love about Jamaica, but I think I love most the food and the nature in Jamaica. A good roast fruit with some ackee and saltfish, or a nice dry roasted yellow yam with also saltfish. You can see the theme there with saltfish. Um, I also love the smell of the fresh morning air in the hills of rural Jamaica, wet with mist and echoing with the sounds of birds. I think most of all, when I think about that, I can envision southern Trelawney, somewhere over the cockpit country near Albert Town. But I'm also a gay man. And while I've been fortunate enough to have the love and support of my family, I know that many of my fellow queer Jamaicans do not have that love and support from family. And certainly we as a group do not have that love and support from society at large or the state. I am hopeful, however, that within my lifetime, Jamaica as a society will learn to love and appreciate and accept us for who we are. Queer Jamaicans have been and will always be a part of the many that constitutes the one people within our motto. So, as countries around the world, including here in Canada, celebrate Pride Month, I want to say love up Jamaica, all the best, and better must come.